Hello guys, in this video we will see how to change resolution and optimize graphics settings, and we'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step 1. Accessing the video settings menu, content to begin adjusting your resolution and graphics settings. Launch the game and navigate to the main menu. From there, locate and click on the settings gear icon typically found in the top left or bottom right corner of the screen. Within the settings menu, you will see several tabs. Select the Video tab to access all the display and graphics options relevant to your game's visual performance. This is your primary interface for all subsequent adjustments.
Step 1. Adjusting resolution and aspect ratio. Content. The first critical setting to consider is resolution under the Video tab. This determines the number of pixels displayed on your screen and significantly impacts both visual clarity and performance. For optimal performance, especially on less powerful hardware, select a lower resolution, or low. For sharper visuals, choose a higher resolution, ideally matching your monitor's native resolution. Concurrently, select an aspect ratio. While it is standard for most monitors, many professional players prefer wide stretched or black bars for a different field of view and perceived enemy size. Experiment to find what provides the best balance of frames per second and visual comfort for your setup.
Step optimizing core graphics settings. Content. After setting your resolution, focus on core graphics settings that have a major impact on performance. Look at global shadow quality and consider setting it to medium or low, as shadows are graphically intensive but important for competitive play. Model texture detail can be set to low or medium to gain significance as high quality. Textures can strain your GUI without offering a substantial competitive advantage. Shader detail similarly affects the complexity of reflections and surfaces. Setting it to low or medium is generally recommended for performance optimization. Step of fine-tuning advanced video options. Continue to fine-tune the more advanced video options. Particle detail influences effects like explosions and smoke. Set this to low for maximum performance, as high particle counts can cause drops during intense engagements. Ambient occlusion adds real estate. Shedding based on object proximity. Disabling it or setting it to low will boost significantly at the cost of some visual depth. High dynamic range grid controls. Lighting and contrast for competitive play and performance. Set this to performance. Other settings like accent should generally be disabled to avoid input lag, and multi-core rendering should be enabled to utilize all available cores. Step applying changes and performance testing. Content. Once all desired adjustments have been made, ensure you apply the changes by clicking the Apply button within the Video settings menu. Exit the settings and load into a game, preferably a practice match or a casual deathmatch, to test the new configuration. Pay close attention to your frame rate. You can enable and counter it via console command show-ups and how smoothly the game runs during various scenarios, such as aiming, shooting, and experiencing effects like smoke. If performance is unsatisfactory or visuals are too degraded, return to the settings and make further iterative adjustments, finding the optimal balance for your system and play style.